Hi, this is Catnipx here, and today we'll be doing a tech review of my brand new keyboard. It's Armaggeddon's MKA-11R RGB Raptor. I've been eyeing this for a really long time. I'm really excited that I finally got it now. I'm super happy! So yes, I can't wait to unbox it, and I can't wait to do a review for it. I hope you guys will enjoy my video as much as I enjoy making it, and do watch till the end because I have a surprise for you guys. Let's get to it! So this keyboard uses blue keys, which is my favorite key, because for those people who game with me a lot knows that I really like the clicky sound, and one of the main things that I look for in a gaming keyboard is the type of keys it uses, and blue key is my favorite. It's gotta be my favorite type of keys. And because it's hot swap type switches, it's actually made to last. It's super durable, and if for any reason you need to replace it, you can actually do so on the fly, which means when your keyboard is plugged into your computer, you're using it, you can actually plug out the key and you can replace it immediately, and it's seamless. Don't worry about the response because it's seamless. And the cool thing about this keyboard is that if you are more of probably a CSGO gamer and you need to go stealth mode, you can actually replace the keys. You have the option of choosing from thermal blue, brown, black, and red. So if you need to be quiet when you game, unlike me who likes it noisy, if you ever need it to be quiet, you can actually opt for options like maybe black or red. So this keyboard uses the Kevlar type keycaps. It's actually concave, like a little bowl. So it's actually very comfy to press on, and the keys are actually fade proof. There's actually lifetime fade proof warranty for the keys. So gamers, like mobile gamers, don't have to worry about your QWER fading off, and your WASD won't fade off. Get mesmerized. You gotta admit this is cool, man. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the lights. It's so beautiful. I'm so in love. Look at it. Whether you're a gamer or a regular user, you gotta admit this is cool, man. This keyboard is RGB backlit. It's real RGB, which means you actually have 16.8 million colors to choose from, and each key is individually lit. There is so many options for customization. There's 14 backlight profiles, 14 backlight effects that you can choose from. You also have 5 preset gaming profiles, and you can also actually adjust the brightness and the speed of the effects of these keys.